So guys, we are going to eat sweet potato with water because there's no tea, but we have to eat because we are hungry. So let me serve the workers there. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've gone by the name Gati Africa. I'm here at my home. Now I'm from school. I want to prepare lunch. So guys, kindly consider subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and comment. So today I'm gonna cook sweet potato because here some workers are here. They are helping me to build the chicken house, not kitchen but chicken house. So they are here, they are two, plus my mother. So I'm going to cook the sweet potato for lunch. Then maybe supper I will cook banana. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and comment. So I'm here. I want to prepare to cook and to see how the work is going on and everything will be okay. And we will walk around the compound to see how it looks like, what next, what is supposed to be done. So guys, leave the sweet comment there, share my video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if there is any mistake, you can comment there so that I can see all. You can text me or message me on my WhatsApp. So guys, keep watching. Let's see what is going on. And after this, I'm going to remove my clothes from outside because I left it there. I went to school, so that's because I'm back and it might be raining anytime, so I have to remove it from outside. Then I will continue with the other one. So I'm going to see if the clothes they are already dry so that I can remove it from outside and I can continue with the preparing of the sweet potatoes so that I can cook for lunch.
sauce.
Tanyuma. Takupiga. So guys, I'm going to cook sweet potatoes. It's here. So I have to add salt and water. So let me start. So guys, as you can see, this is my salt. Yeah, and this is the cup. I have to add 3 cups of water to put the salt. So this is the salt. Takuwekea kwa power bank. sawa. Guys, my clothes is here, so I have to see if it is dry so that I can remove from outside so that I can continue with the other work. Shka. So guys, as I can see, they are dry. Now I can remove it from outside because they are already dry. And this one here is already dry. This is the sweet potato here. Also, see, I've made the foundation for the chicken house. This is the foundation of this. So no dog, no anything that can enter there, because the foundation is there. As you see. So let's walk and see how my compound it look like. So guys, as you see, there's no kitchen, but we have to prepare for the kitchen here, because today we are struggling with the chicken house. As you can see, they are struggling with the chicken house. I think any day from tomorrow we will be struggling with the kitchen, because we don't have kitchen. As you can see, even my sweet potatoes are outside there because there is no kitchen. So from tomorrow or Monday, have to start the kitchen. And as you can see here, the compound, how it look like. So, by now there's no napier grass at my compound here. Yeah. See, and any day from tomorrow we'll put some bricks here so that we can have the different where the compound is rich and where the kitchen garden is supposed to be reached. So from tomorrow we'll be doing that, so that we can have how do we call it? So we have to make the gaps between the compound where a person can sit and where there's the kitchen garden. So we have to separate it, so you can know that this is where the kitchen garden reach, and this is where the compound is supposed to be. Yeah, that's how it is. So as you can see here, you can see still there's a lot of work here. Even plumbing, we're not done with it. We have to go slowly according how can I say it, according the money. When the money is not enough, we have to reach there and stop it there. So that's how it is. And I think tomorrow I will be doing how can I call it? I will dig my kitchen garden. As you can see, some veggies here. This is in Saga. You see how it looks like? That's how it looks like. What is doing good and well is the onion, because as you can see, onion are coming up faster. They are coming. So tomorrow I will be here to do some work to my kitchen garden here, as you can see. The napier grass are trying to come up. So tomorrow I will be here to do some work here at my kitchen garden, so that everything will be good and everything will be well. So guys, consider to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share and leave the sweet comment there. And if you are willing to support Get Africa, go ahead, support me so that I can continue with my construction. As I have already shown you, the plumbing is not yet complete because we lack some pipe. Yeah, we lack the rubber. So guys, please support me so that I can continue with my construction.